everyone, welcome to my channel Expensive Foundry. Today I'm going to show how to enable legitimate performance. Many people are using their PC and they are saying that my PC is so slow, it's just even struggling to do simple tasks like just open an app, open a file. So if this is the case with you, then you might have to reset your PC because PCs store a lot of cache folders in them inside them, and these cache folders might cause the PC to slow down. If you reset your PC, then the PC will again go a bit faster because the reset PC will remove all the program files except the pre-installed program on Windows. So I don't prefer resetting my PC because it's a big pain, and I'm using so many programs like OBS Studio. I'm using video editors, and those programs are a bit hard to find, and some cracked programs which are again very hard to find. So I actually don't prefer using resetting my PC. But there is another alternative to boost your PC's performance. This alternative is called ultimate performance. If a PC is, and if you're having a gaming PC which has RTX 3080 Ti and those are graphics, then you might find RTX 3080 Ti, Core i9, and those high-end CPUs and GPUs, then you might find the ultimate performance mode in the control panel. But if you're using a normal PC, I have a Core i5 and NVIDIA GeForce 820M, so I'm using a laptop, and this was actually really painful. It was just stopping at points, and it was just slowing down. It was not letting me to do any work. So for as many of them, if this is the case and you are on Windows 10, then you are lucky. After watching this video, you will be able to make your PC's performance boost. You have to actually you can actually boost your PC's performance. And a small note for those who use laptop: this ultimate performance is especially recommended for desktop users because desktop users don't have a battery power, and they always plug in the batteries and those things, and those all, and PCs actually get less battery. And if you are using a Mac, then there is no place where you can enable ultimate performance. Then there's just a small note that if you're using a laptop, then this ultimate performance will use higher RAM, higher CPU. So this higher CPU clock, so this might result to very much low battery life, like even the battery just stops after 40 minutes. So this can be the case. So it's better to sit on a table and lift your laptop with an cooling pad. You can use a cooling pad. It's the best alternative because your laptop might heat up. I actually use cooling pads to lift my laptop, and I always plug in my PC. So that's why I'm not having any problems with the PC. This mode actually helps your performance. So without wasting any time, let's enable ultimate performance. To enable ultimate performance, you have to check your performance plan in the control panel. To check it, you have to open the start menu, then you have to type performance. Oh, not performance, you have to type power. Power option, edit power and sleep settings. After open edit power and sleep settings, in the related settings panel, here you have to click on additional power settings. After clicking on additional power settings, it will open in this type of control panel window, and in this place you have to check whatever performance plan you have. I have chosen the balanced performance. Most PCs actually have balanced performance and high performance, but if you're using a tablet to PC convertible PC, just take the screen up and you just lift the screen and it has a touch screen, it becomes a tablet. Then there's a high chance that you don't have high performance. I'm using balanced because it's recommended to do this video. And in this, and if you don't have, they show additional plans, and if in the additional plan it might show high performance. I don't have high performance on my PC, so that's why it was not showing. Here I have four ultimate performance modes. I'll just explain them afterwards. So I'll just close this. To start enabling ultimate performance, you have to right click on the start menu, and then you can click on Windows PowerShell admin. For you, if it's so complicated, then you can open the Windows search, click on type PowerShell. Right click on the PowerShell, click on run as admin, and then if you ask do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, you have to click yes because we want to, and then it will open the Windows PowerShell thingy. So we have to wait till it loads. So it's loading actually, and here it's actually loading. We have to wait. So here is the root PSC, what they'll call that slash type of thing, Windows slash system32, this folder, and now to paste this code. This you have to paste this code. This code will be given in the description box. We just scroll down and paste this code. And one more thing, if you just like this video, then please hit that like button, smash the like button, and make sure it's liked. And after clicking on the like button, if you want to receive updates, you want to receive all the notification for my new videos, and if you're the one who want to see my videos first, then you can subscribe my channel and click on the bell button, so you always receive notification whenever I post in a new video. So I post videos every day, so that's the thing. So after pasting this code, you have to press enter. After pressing enter, it will show power scheme guide, this some numbers, ultimate performance. So it's now, if it shows this, then it's enabled. So then you have to close this and open the start menu and type power and sleep settings. Click press enter. After that you have to go to additional power settings. So here you have to go to the additional power settings, and most PCs this will be hidden in the show additional plans option. Here in the additional plan you have to click on ultimate performance. So this is the new ultimate performance which is just enabled now. So this ultimate performance in my case is very nice, and as you know, I actually have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ultimate performance because I actually made 5 videos on ultimate performance, and this is the fifth video, and I made those videos before, and I actually posted on my before channel, so that was got deleted, was hacked, and that's why it got deleted. So all the thing got deleted. So it's the ultimate performance. After enabling ultimate performance, you have to just restart your PC. After restarting your PC, boom, you have the nice PC and it will work really nice. In my case, I didn't need to restart my computer because my computer is pretty nice. It has Core i5 and those things. And if this ultimate performance just doesn't make changes after enabling the PC, enabling this, then please restart your computer. It will surely make changes. I have guarantee about it. So another note for laptop users is, I actually said this before, if you are using a laptop, then lift your laptop with some erasers, and or you can use a cooling pad or lifting pad. Please lift your laptop because this performance plan generates a lot of heat because it uses more RAM, it uses more CPU, and it actually sometimes uses higher clock on the CPUs. So this might need more fan, so your PC might get more hot. That's why it's better to lift your PC. And here you have to always plug in your PC because this might result to very low battery life. Before I was having 1.5 hour battery life, but after enabling this performance plan, I have only 40 minutes of battery life, and I actually don't need battery because I'm always plugging in. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, please subscribe my channel. Bye bye. And always feel free to comment down whatever concerns or thoughts you have about the video. Bye bye. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye.